Hey guys, this is Kunal and Gaurav from After Office Life of Kunal and Gaurav, and here we are discussing about OnePlus 3T. And this is OnePlus 3T Gunmetal 64 GB, and it's been 2 days we have this phone, and what we are experimenting now is adding Nougat, that is Android 7 and OnePlus 3T. It's like a Christmas gift which has been leaked. Uh, it's not official right now, but it has been leaked, so we are just adding that. I think you guys also try this, and we'll go ahead. First of all, we have to copy the given file, which is given in the description in the internal storage, and
Yeah, so we have already done that, Gaurav, and let me tell you and let me tell our viewers that this is not the community build; it's official Oxygen OS 4.0 that will come to everyone over the air. So this has been leaked yesterday or a day before, and if you want to install it, here's how you can do it. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you have enough battery backup because it's a major system update, so it takes time, some around 15-20 minutes maybe. And so just to make sure nothing goes wrong. And yeah, one more thing, you won't lose any data in this. I'll show you. So we have already all the apps installed here, all the data as it is. I will still recommend you to take the complete backup so that there's very few minor chances, but if something goes wrong you won't regret losing your data. So
yeah, 99% of times you won't lose any.
You won't
There is a
lose.
1% chance, but why to take a chance? So please
Yeah.
take a backup.
yeah, so without a further ado, let's start. So first of all, we need to go to about phone, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. In developer options, just click advanced reboot. This is to simplify the restart of your phone in recovery mode. You can go by conventional hardware buttons method also, but just for ease of method I am telling you this. Now press power button, reboot. There's an option to reboot to recovery mode. So once we are into recovery mode, we have to select install from internal storage, and here is the file. So just click on it and install the package.
You know, Kunal, best part I like about OnePlus, it shows that how much is installed with that line,
Yeah.
that loading line. For instance, we did the review. We did the same for Motorola G4, and it looked like it's hang for quite like 15-20 minutes, but the process was still going on. But you don't know that the process is going on because this type of loading lines is not there in any other phone. That OnePlus is providing that. I don't know how
Oh, it's done.
it's done. This was
It's
quite
pretty-
fast. This was quite fast.
Yeah.
It was like
I didn't
very
expect.
fast.
I didn't expect it to complete in, like, it hardly took 1 or 2 minutes.
Only 1 minute, I guess.
Yeah.
Not even two.
It took me more time to transfer that
File,
file
yeah.
in the phone.
Yeah. It took more time to transfer the file. Yes. lesser apps you have, lesser time will be there in this process, because it's optimizing all the apps which is pre-installed as well as you have installed in phone. So if you have less apps, it will take less time. Likewise, we have 132 applications right now inside the phone, and out of which 80 are almost done. This took around like less than a minute. Yep, the process is done, and here we go, guys. The phone has restarted. Just taking time
to settle down, to
stabilize. Is there any heating in the phone?
No, not at all.
No heating inside the phone recorded.
So yeah. So it's done. Oxygen OS version 4.0, Android version 7, and here it is, Nova.
Go out, guys, do play with your phone and have Nova. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.